Welcome to our science extravaganza. Today, we're showcasing two amazing science experiments that you can easily do at home or in the classroom. Get ready to have fun and learn the fascinating science behind each experiment. Let's dive in. Experiment 1. Baking soda and vinegar volcano. Materials needed: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, a small container, and a tray. Steps: 1. Place the small container in the center of the tray. 2. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda to the container. 3. Add a few drops of dish soap and food coloring. 4. Pour vinegar into the container and watch the eruption. Science behind it. The reaction between baking soda, a base, and vinegar, an acid, produces carbon dioxide gas, creating the fizzing and bubbling effect. Experiment 2. Invisible ink with lemon juice. Materials needed: lemon juice, water, cotton swab, white paper, and a light source, lamp or sunlight. Steps: 1. Mix lemon juice with a few drops of water. 2. Use the cotton swab to write a message on the paper. 3. Let the paper dry completely. 4. To reveal the message, hold the paper close to a light source. Science behind it. Lemon juice is an organic substance that oxidizes and turns brown when heated, revealing the hidden message. Conclusion: thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these 15 amazing science experiments. Try them out at home and share your results with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun science videos.